If our bodies can be compared to the hardware and lifestyle can be compared to the software, Sanatana Dharma is the operating system which runs it all. If the operating system is corrupted, no amount of software can fix the problem. If wellness can be compared to a tree, the leaves represent health and the trunk represent the lifestyle, but the roots represent dharma. We all know that if the leaves dry up, we cannot water the leaves. We need to water the roots. Sanatana means eternal, and dharma is the code of conduct we have to follow. The foundation scriptures of Sanatana Dharma are the Vedas. Many people don't know that the Vedas contain lot of information on so many scientific subjects also, whether it is physics, whether it is chemistry, whether it is metallurgy, architecture, health, ecology, all topics are covered in the Vedas as you can see in the infographic. Many people in our country don't know that Vedas contain so much of scientific information. Ayurveda has a separate chapter called Swastha Vrita, that means the healthy way of living. This includes Dinacharya, that means the routine we have to follow in our daily lives, and also Ritucharya, that means according to seasons we have to make some changes in our lifestyle. So all these are explained in the Swastha Vrita, and preventive medicine was first explained in Ayurveda. The goal of Ayurveda is Swasthasya Swasthya Samrakshanam. That means protecting the health of the healthy. That is the first goal, and only then we go to treatment of diseases.